Just one quick little tip when doing stuff like this. Get yourself some baggies, a little permanent marker, and label and write down a little note for all the pieces you take apart. And snap some pictures. I'll be recording everything, so I'll have some video to go back and look at. But that should help you along the way. Looking at the driver's side wheel well, and I removed the front half fender liners because I'll be removing the bumper to put in a heat exchanger, and I think that's it for the reason of the front bumper removal, at least for now. But I will eventually be putting on a Liberty Walk kit that has been ordered. I don't know if I'm doing that work myself this time, since I have to do the wide body fenders. Probably gonna have a shop do everything. But anyway, to remove this plastic fender liner, you've got, I feel like, less clips than were on the 370, but they're real easy to find. The only tip I have for this part is on this section right here. There are 2 clips, one here and one here where my middle finger is. You can remove it by just taking this one out, but just taking the extra 2 seconds to remove this top clip and having this flexibility in this piece makes it a lot easier to get the fender liner out. There's 1 bolt, I believe. No, it looks like there was 2, maybe even 3. I don't know. From underneath the car on the under tray, you'll see those. Those need to come out as well, and then you can just slide this whole piece out. It's real easy, real straightforward. That's why I didn't get out, you know, crazy about remembering where all the screws and clips were, because you're going to see them. And if you start pulling on it and it looks like it's caught up somewhere, if you look in the spot that it's tight, you can almost bet there's just a clip or a screw there. Pop it out, good to go.